Good AM. Today is December 26, 2023, Tuesday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under LAC 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 26, 2023, Tuesday. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for December 26, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Tuesday, December 26, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.